Okay, let's just review arcs and how we calculate the measures of arcs and how we use arcs to find missing values. So let's review the terms. An arc is simply a part of the circumference of a circle. So remember, circumference is just the distance around the circle. A minor arc, so minor is the short one, that's small. Because remember, minor means small, and major arc is the long one. The difference between them is that you always use 3 points when you name a major arc to separate it from a minor arc. So here's a couple examples. On this circle, AB is a minor arc, and you can see that it's a shorter one that's less than 180. The official definition of a minor arc is that its measurement is less than 180 degrees, but bigger than 0. To compare it, you look against a major arc. A major arc, such as ACB, covers the rest of the circle in this case. So ACB is a major arc, and notice I name it with 3 letters, and C is in the middle, and there's these arc symbols that we put over it. When you have arcs, you can find values of arcs, their measurements, by doing some subtraction using 360 or 180. So in this circle, let's take a look at what they show us. It says, example 6, find DEF if DE is equal to 127. So we're looking for D, E, and F. And they're saying that the segment or the piece, the arc from D to E is 127. That's actually a typo. That should be DF is 127. So this part here is 127 degrees. Well, a circle adds up to equal 360 degrees. So if I know that this piece is 127 and I'm looking for the green piece, I'm just going to add them together and subtract 127 from 360 to get my answer, because DF is 127. So these two added together give me 360, subtract 127 from both sides, and I get 233 for this major arc. We'll keep practicing with those as we move on. Another term with arcs is a semicircle. A semicircle is an arc that intercepts a diameter. So really what it does is that the diameter actually cuts a circle in half, so the semicircle is always 360 degrees divided by 2, or 180 degrees. By the way, intercept is a funny word. All it means is that the ends of the arc are the same as the ends of the diameter, or whatever is intercepting the arc. We'll have the angles intercept arcs in the next section. Won't that be fun? So here, our semicircles are A, B, C, because that covers half of the arc, half of the circle, so it's a semicircle. And then the other one is CDA. And notice if you put these two together, you get the full circle, which is 360 degrees. So let's get your wheels and practice. So on the bottom, there's 3 questions, and on the back, there's 3 problems for you to work on. I'm going to go through these ones with you, and you can try the rest on the back. So in this problem, it's saying the measurement of ATC is 276 degrees. From A to T to C is 276 degrees. Sometimes it helps to highlight and label what's given to you. They want you to find from A to C. So this is the part that they're looking for. So I've got both pieces of the circle. Now all I have to do is use them to find the missing piece. And remember, the 2 arcs added together should add up to equal 360. And I know what ATC is. I know ATC is 276 because it was given to me. So I'm going to subtract 276 from both sides. You'll get AC is equal to, do your subtraction, 84. So AC's arc is 84 degrees. In this example, it's asking you to find the measurements of SRU. So here's SRU. And the measurement of STU. So STU is the other half of this. So right away, because of my highlighting, I can tell that these are semicircles, so I know that each of them are going to equal 180 degrees. Because semicircles always add up or measure to equal 180 degrees. On the bottom, it says the measurement of AN is 32 degrees. So this piece here is 32 degrees. And the measurement of NF is 94 degrees. They want us to find the measurement from A to F. And notice it's a small, it's not a major arc, it's a minor arc. So I'm going from A to F. So all I need to do is add these two things together. 32 plus 94 equals 126. So the measurement of AF is 126 degrees. Try the problems on the back and see how you do with those ones.